Alright. Hello and happy Thursday, everyone. It's Thursday, January 21st. We're here with the Dimension 1000 S3277 -040 12 amp. It's got a Kenmore bag set up. It's Kenmore bag with the Hoover M collar over it, so it's HEPA. And it's probably about half full, roughly. This is a very powerful machine. And the brush roll is in excellent condition. Actually, I think this was a brand new one that I installed not long ago because I found a nice eBay auction a few years back. And this is sort of like my office. It's technically a spare bedroom in my place. I do have a twin bed that I lent out to a friend, and it's going to come back in here eventually. So it's kind of empty in here, but I use it. I do all my homework. It's my computer over here, my printer, and it's also full of a bunch of vacuums right now. Here's the Decade 800 that needs the switch replaced, which is coming. I don't know if you can see that, but that's sort of where it burned up right over there. It actually did this sparkle flame. So that's the poor Decade 800. Here's the poor Verb waiting on gaskets for that. The steam vac wide path, you've seen that before. The PowerMax Supreme S3611. See if we can put a little light on it. There's that one. And then over here, here's the Spectrum. Power nozzle's great. I can show you the power nozzle on it. It's in good shape. That brush was not bad. I might paint it eventually. It's hard to tell from lighting the video, but there's a couple rust spots. Nothing too bad. Nothing to like call and write home about, any of that type of thing. We have the convertible Elite over here, which my former pit bull, you can see she scratched it up pretty good, but luckily she didn't harm the brush or anything like that. The Celebrity Elite 4 S3141. My toolbox in the corner. My thermometer. We have 23 degrees right now in State College, Pennsylvania. But anyway, without further ado, let's do some vacuuming for you. I'll turn it on, let you hear the airflow on it, and hopefully you can hear this through the video. Got some good power to it. And let's see, this room's actually not too bad. But I do eat a lot of my dinners at the desk. I have to actually clean the desk. It needs like Windexed off on the top because there's actually food and stuff. But it's hard to tell with this carpet everything that would be on there. There is some lint in the hallway. There's a big chunk there, because what I do is I just basically take the lint filter out of this thing and drop it on the floor. And this is actually my brand new washing machine. It's a GE. It arrived, I believe it was Monday it arrived. Hasn't been here too long, only a few days now. I've only done it's probably, it might have been last Thursday or Friday. It's actually been close to a week now. To GE. Clean inside there. The other machine was taking about 2 hours to dry and leaving the clothes very wet when they came out. This one's a lot better. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's not a constant agitating sound. It's sort of like an every once in a while spin. And it's hard to see from the light, but there are clothes in there. It's only about half full looking with them all wet. I didn't do any Persil because I'm trying to get rid of some old stuff that I have. I have some organic company stuff I'm trying to get rid of. But there's that. It's the new washing machine. And I don't know, since I figure I vacuum so much, I just a lot of times put the lint on the floor. But we'll do some vacuuming for you. We're going to use this puppy over here. Headlight shot. And she purrs. Hard to do this one hand. I will figure out a better way to do this. Look at those prints. Nice prints. This is sort of like a little spare rug they put in here. I'm probably going to move it to the kitchen, honestly. Actually, for now, we'll move it because we'll go under it. Oh, yeah. Here, let me show you the fun stuff. Let me show you how not hard this is. Ready? See the lump? Bad lump. More lumps. 5 lumps. 5. 5. Oh, let's see, what else can we find here? There's some fun stuff, more marks. Alright y'all, well I'm going to do a lot more vacuuming, go over things a lot more and do the whole entire place. But you all have fun for now, we will talk later. And if I can, I am going to do a video of this guy over here too. I know Joel requested it. I am still working with my camera phone itself. And eventually I'll figure something else for that. But yeah, I do want to do a video of that for him. I haven't forgotten about that, Joel. Anyways, have a good night. Talk soon.